Illinois is subjected to floods. In fact, in this past year, we've had over 64 floods across the whole state, with a lot of millions of dollars of property lost and a few lives unfortunately lost. During my tenure as Homeland Security Director, I instituted a program where we pre-positioned equipment across the whole state, so we were able to respond anywhere within 90 minutes, and we also got interoperable communications with firefighters, police officers, public health, so we were able to respond and help citizens anywhere across the state too. Unfortunately, Congressman Peter Roskam has not shown leadership in this problem facing Illinois. He actually voted against strengthening the national flood insurance, and this is devastating for families who are relying on this insurance to help them recover their lives.